Okay. Alright, smile. So what do you say? Where are you? Where are you?
We're at the zoo.
What zoo?
Palm Beach.
Palm Beach Zoo? Okay.
And we're exploring the Egypt.
And you're doing what?
We're exploring the Egypt place.
Oh, the Egypt place. Okay, well what have you seen so far?
We've seen that over there. A big cat.
Well, what about animals? Did you feed the birds?
Yes, we saw, and then we saw a peacock and some panthers.
And some who?
Panthers.
A panther. Oh, okay.
And wallabies. And a camel dragon. Oh yes,
A what? A koala?
No, yeah, koala.
Koala.
And
Okay. What's tomorrow?
tomorrow is Thanksgiving.
Okay. Should we check in later?
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.